Car glass breaker tool is a device that everyone should have in their vehicle. This tool, when tapped on the window a couple of times, can break out glass and enable to escape from vehicle to security. Car glass breaker tool is little and simple to use. It can quickly be put in your roadside emergency kit or in your glove box, really keeping a couple in your vehicle, one that can be accessed from the back seat and one that can be accessed from the front seat, is never a bad arrangement. If you desire an auto emergency tool, that you should not be without it. It can possibly save one's life. Click here to grab it.